Island groups of the Philippines. There are three main island groups in the Philippines: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The largest islands by island group are as follows: the island of Luzon, followed by Palawan, Mindoro, Masbate, and Catanduanes for the Luzon group. Samar, Negros, Panay, Leyte, Cebu, and Bohol for the Visayas group, and the island of Mindanao, Basilan, Jolo, Tawitawi, and Dinagat for the Mindanao group. The following are the island groups and component regions. For the Luzon Island group, there are 8 regions. For the Visayas Island group, there are 3 regions. And for the Mindanao Island group, there are 6 regions. The 8 regions comprising the Luzon Island group are the following: Region 1 or Ilocos Region, Region 2 or Cagayan Valley Region, Region 3 or Central Luzon Region, Region 4A or Calabarzon Region, Region 4B or the Southwestern Tagalog Region or also MIMAROPA Region, Region 5 or Bicol Region, NCR or the National Capital Region, and the CAR or the Cordillera Administrative Region. The following are the 3 regions comprising the Visayas Island Group: Region 6 or Western Visayas, Region 7 or Central Visayas, Region 8 or Eastern Visayas. The 6 regions comprising the Mindanao Island Group are the following: Region 9 or the Zamboanga Peninsula, Region 10 or Northern Mindanao, Region 11 or Davao Region, Region 12 or Soc-Sargen, Region 13 or Caraga Region, and the BARMM or the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. The extreme points of the Philippines are situated at Itbayat, the northernmost town of the Luzon group, Caraga, the easternmost of the Mindanao group, Kalayaan, the westernmost of the Luzon group, and Sitangkay, the southernmost of the Mindanao group. In other words, the northernmost tip and the southernmost tip of the Philippines are found in the towns of Itbayat in the province of Batanes and Sitangkay in the province of Tawitawi. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.